Artificial intelligence is everywhere, reshaping our world. But with this incredible power comes a critical question. How do we ensure these systems are safe, fair, and accountable? Organizations don't just need to innovate with AI, they need to prove they can be trusted. That's where ISO 42001 comes in. Published in late 2023, it's the world's first international standard for an AI management system. Think of it as a global blueprint for building and managing trustworthy AI. In simple terms, this framework provides a structured way to turn abstract ethical principles into concrete daily operations. So how does it work? If you're familiar with other management standards like ISO 9001 for quality or ISO 27001 for information security, you'll recognize the core engine, the Plan, Do, Check, Act or PDCA cycle. This isn't a one-time checklist. It's a continuous loop. You plan your AI policies and controls. You do the work to implement them. You check to see if they're effective, and you act to make improvements. This ensures your AI governance evolves and adapts over time. The standard itself is built on the same 10-clause structure used by all modern ISO management systems, which makes it easy to integrate. While the first 3 clauses are introductory, the core requirements are in clauses 4 through 10. They cover context, understanding your organization and its AI systems; leadership, defining who is accountable; planning, assessing AI-specific risks and impacts; support, ensuring your teams have the right resources and skills; operations, managing the entire AI lifecycle from data to deployment; performance evaluation, measuring what works through audits and reviews; improvement, learning from experience and refining your approach. Now, you might be asking, how do we actually meet these requirements? That's the job of Annex A. Think of it as a toolbox filled with 38 specific controls. These are practical measures for things like ensuring data quality, mitigating bias, maintaining human oversight, testing for robustness, and ensuring traceability throughout the AI lifecycle. Just like in ISO 27001, Annex A provides a catalog of best practices to guide your implementation. This is where ISO 42001 becomes especially powerful, particularly in Europe. The standard is set to become a harmonized standard under the EU AI Act. What does that mean? Once it's officially recognized, organizations that are certified can claim a presumption of conformity with the AI Act's legal requirements. It's a perfect partnership. The EU AI Act tells you what you must achieve: risk management, transparency, human oversight. ISO 42001 gives you the internationally recognized framework for how to achieve it and prove it. For any company deploying high-risk AI in the European market, this standard provides a direct, structured path to legal compliance. But this framework doesn't stand alone. It's the centerpiece of a growing ecosystem of standards designed for responsible AI. It integrates perfectly with standards you may already use, like ISO 27001 for security or ISO 9001 for quality. And it's supported by other specialized AI standards covering everything from risk management, ISO 23894, and terminology, ISO 22989, to governance guidance for executives, ISO 38507. Together, they form a comprehensive global toolkit for AI governance. So why is this a game changer? Because AI is no longer just a technical issue. It's a governance issue. Regulators, customers, and investors are asking tough questions. It's not enough to say you're responsible. You have to be able to show it. Implementing ISO 42001 demonstrates that you have a robust system in place. It turns responsible AI from a slogan into an auditable operational reality. In short, ISO 42001 is the new foundation for trustworthy innovation. It helps organizations meet global expectations, comply with laws like the EU AI Act, and build lasting confidence in how they use artificial intelligence. It's not just about meeting a standard, it's about earning trust in a world where technology touches every human decision.